As technology continues to evolve, the market is flooded with a variety of drones for both professionals and hobbyists, making it challenging to find the perfect one. To help you out, we've curated a list of the top 6 drones under $500 just for you. The first item on our list is the Holy Stone 900. The Holy Stone HS900 is a lightweight but powerful drone, weighing only 249 grams, and it doesn't require FAA registration, making it ideal for hassle-free flying. Equipped with a professional 4K camera featuring a Sony 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor and 48-megapixel capability, this drone captures stunning 30 frames per second video at 4K and 60 frames per second video at 1080p modes. Its 3-axis brushless gimbal ensures smooth filming, even in winds up to 38 kilometers per hour. The advanced control system allows for easy operation, making it perfect for beginners. The Holy Stone Series app offers quick shots for professional-level videos, ready to share on social media. With a 20,000 feet transmission range and enhanced GPS for accurate tracking and auto-return, the HS900 ensures a reliable and immersive flying experience. Priced at $446, it's an excellent investment for capturing high-quality aerial footage. Our next item is Veeniix V11. The Veeniix V11 is a reliable, high-performance FAA-certified drone that might be the perfect choice for everyone. The V11's 4K gimbal camera, combined with electronic image stabilization anti-shake technology, captures stunningly smooth footage. The dual stabilization mechanism, self-stabilizing mechanical gimbal, and EIS guarantees clear and stable videos at a resolution of 3,840 by 2160, with a 100 degrees wide-angle view. The drone's extended 70-minute flight time is made possible by two 3,500 mAh batteries, offering long and uninterrupted aerial adventures. Its ultrasonic technology and dedicated landing pad make it beginner-friendly, ensuring smooth and easy landings. With professional digital transmission capabilities, the V11 provides an image transmission range of up to 9,842 feet, ensuring stable and clear connections. Intelligent GPS features like Follow Me, Point of Interest, and Waypoint, along with auto-return, enhance user experience and safety. Built to withstand level 6 wind resistance, the V11's advanced brushless motor ensures durability and reliable performance, even in challenging weather conditions. Priced at $459, the Veeniix V11 offers excellent value for a feature-rich, FAA-compliant drone. Next, the DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is a standout choice for recreational drone enthusiasts. Weighing under 249 grams, it doesn't require FAA registration or remote ID, making it perfect for hassle-free flying. Capture stunning 4K HDR videos with dual native ISO fusion, ensuring detailed imagery both day and night. Its true vertical shooting mode is ideal for social media, allowing you to easily capture and share shots on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. With the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, you can extend flight time up to 51 minutes, or opt for the Fly More combo for up to 114 minutes of total flight time. The drone's level 5 wind resistance and 3-axis gimbal provide stable and smooth footage, even in challenging conditions. Enjoy a 10 km max HD video transmission range and advanced creative features like quick shots and panorama. Designed with beginners in mind, it includes GPS return to home, precise hovering, auto takeoff and landing, and quick transfer via Wi-Fi. Additionally, it comes with the new DJI RC, featuring the DJI Fly app pre-installed and a built-in 5.5-inch HD display for crisp viewing even in direct sunlight. Priced at $429, the DJI Mini 3 is an excellent investment for high-quality, hassle-free flying, making it a top choice for any drone enthusiast. Next, the HS600. The Holy Stone HS600 is a fantastic choice for drone enthusiasts seeking advanced features in a user-friendly package. FAA-compliant with integrated remote ID, it ensures safety and adherence to regulations. The 4K camera with electronic image stabilization feature, enhanced by a Sony sensor and 2-axis gimbal, captures stunning 4K video and 12 megapixels stills with remarkable stability. Enjoy an impressive 10,000-foot transmission range, allowing you to explore diverse terrains and capture breathtaking aerial shots. The dual battery setup offers an extended 56-minute flight time, perfect for uninterrupted filming sessions. Despite its lightweight 541 grams FAA-compliant frame, the HS600 boasts level 6 wind resistance, ensuring stable flights even in challenging conditions. The GPS Intelligent Return-to-Home function provides added security, while beginner-friendly modes like follow and waypoint make it easy to master. Priced at $340, the HS600 is a robust, portable, and reliable drone, ideal for capturing your adventures with ease and precision. Next, we're diving into the Potensic Atom SE. The Potensic Atom SE is a feature-packed drone that's lightweight, beginner-friendly, and delivers impressive performance for its price point. First off, the Atom SE is incredibly lightweight at less than 249 grams, meaning no FAA registration is required. This compact drone is perfect for on-the-go adventures. Despite its small size, it boasts level 5 wind resistance, thanks to its robust brushless motor, ensuring stable flights even in windy conditions. The camera's standout feature is it is equipped with a 1/3-inch CMOS Sony sensor. It captures stunning 12 megapixels photos and shoots 4K video at 30 frames per second. The Shake Vanish technology significantly reduces vibrations, resulting in smooth, high-quality footage with a wide 118 degrees field of view and adjustable angles from +20 degrees to -90 degrees. The Atom SE is perfect for beginners with its Surgefly flight control system, offering a beginner mode and 3 flight modes: video, normal, and sport. In sport mode, it can reach speeds up to 16 meters per second in just 2.8 seconds, catering to both novice and advanced pilots. With two 2,500 mAh batteries providing a total of 62 minutes of flight time, you'll have plenty of opportunities to capture your creative moments. The PicSync 2.0 technology ensures a robust 4 kilometers transmission range, delivering stable and consistent video feeds. Additionally, the precise GPS auto-return feature in multiple flight modes, including Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Flight, make this drone versatile and easy to control. Priced at $250, the Potensic Atom SE is a great investment for anyone looking to explore aerial photography and videography with ease and reliability. Next, Ruko F11GIM2. Ruko F11GIM2 is a high-performance drone, perfect for capturing stunning aerial footage. Equipped with a 4K camera featuring a 2-axis gimbal and electronic image stabilizing anti-shake technology, this drone ensures stable and crystal-clear shots. The 5x digital zoom and adjustable 80-degree lens offer versatility in capturing various perspectives. The F11GIM2 provides up to 64 minutes of flight time with 2 intelligent batteries, reducing the need for frequent recharges. Its 3 kilometers real-time transmission range and enhanced USB connection ensure a stable and secure video feed. Built to withstand level 6 winds, the F11GIM2's robust design and powerful brushless motor maintain flight stability. With intelligent GPS features like auto-return, Follow Me, and Waypoint Flight, this drone offers an easy and creative flying experience. Priced at $460, it's a solid choice for aerial enthusiasts.